Most developers push their first branch and get an error. Here is the exact command that works. When you have commits on a local branch and want to share them with your team, the command you need is git push. It sends your local commits up to the remote repository over the network. The command takes 3 parts: the command itself, the remote name, and the branch name. The full command is git push origin myFeature branch. Origin is the default name for your remote. It gets set automatically when you clone a repo. myFeature branch is your local branch name. Git will create a matching branch on the remote if one does not exist yet. On your first push of a new branch, include the -u flag. Git push -origin myFeature branch. The U stands for set upstream. It links your local branch to the remote branch, so from then on you can just type git push with no extra arguments at all. 2 prerequisites to check first. The remote must already be configured. Run git remote -v to verify origin is listed. And your branch needs at least 1 commit before there is anything to push. Use git push -u origin branch name on your first push to sync commits and set up tracking. Try it on your next feature branch. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.